we have given diagram, we have to find value of x. So let's put that here. We have A point, B, C, and D. What we have given? We have given that these two angles are congruent. We can write that angle CBD is congruent to angle ABD. Because we have these two red marks, we see that BD ray pass segment CA and we have right angle. So we can write that BD ray is perpendicular to segment CA. So if we have on this side right angle, so on the other side we will have right angle too. Because we have straight angle, this is 90 degrees, 180 minus 90 degrees is 90 degrees. So these two angles are right angles. So we can write that angle BDC is congruent to angle BDA, because measure of angle BDC is equal to measure of angle BDA, and this is equal 90 degrees. So these two angles are congruent, and that two angles are congruent. What else? We can write that BD segment is congruent to DB segment by reflexive property. So we can use, we have angle, side angle, angle, side angle, angle, side angle, congruence postulate. And we have that triangle CBD is congruent to triangle CBD is congruent to ABD. If these two triangles are congruent, it means that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. It means that segment CD is equal to AC. So it means that CD is equal to AD, and we have given that AD is 7. So we have that CD is 7 as well. So we have that x is equal 7, because CD was given by expression x. We have that x is equal 7 by congruence, angle, side angle congruence postulate. This is my solution.